Well, we were looking at PTSD and we were trying to develop a model in chicks. So, one thing we examined is social buffering, which is the presence of another chick, and we were seeing if that had any sort of effect on their fear responses when they were exposed to predator cues. We put them in a box, in a little testing box, and we both ran sounds of predators, so hawk calls and coyote calls, and we had images of either a coyote or an overhead pass with a silhouette of a hawk, so it would look like a hawk was passing overhead. We thought initially that it would lower the fear levels, but it actually ended up extending the fear levels, and we measure fear by freezing. So they actually stayed frozen for even longer than the chicks who didn't have a companion. We did a lot of research afterwards because we were curious, and we found something called fear transference, which is actually something that is documented to where the companion chick is scared as well. So the second chick is like, oh, that one's scared, so I must be scared too. So the fear just sort of passes back and forth between them. It's sort of difficult, and we spent some time with this to confirm that freezing is fear. So it's a nice indicator if we can be sure of it. We can't always be sure of it. So in the future, we would like to test, different types of presence or non-presence models, or different even chemical therapies that we can try and reduce this fear response after it's been started.